For software inventions, describe the invention as a series of steps that perform the function of the invention. Select the Add Step button to add a new step. Describe each step beginning with an action verb that best describes the action. The verb should end in ing to help the bot identify it. Add additional details about how the step is performed. If the step is one of the most novel features of the invention, check this box. Novel features are what distinguish your invention from other similar solutions. Sometimes, a step can be broken down into a series of substeps. If so, select the Add Substep control for the step. Then add the substep just as you would add any other step. Substeps are displayed below their parent step. A substep may be a novel feature. If there is an alternative way to perform a given step, select Add Substep for that step. Describe the alternative step, and select the alternate box. Alternative steps are displayed below their parent step. If you need to change a step, select the Edit control and make the changes. If you add a step out of order, or otherwise need to change the order of the steps, enter the position the step should have in the list. You can also delete a step with the Delete control. Adding steps and details about those steps will increase the protection your provisional patent application gives your invention. Select Generate Application to generate your application with your steps or components and descriptions formatted for filing. Your application will be downloaded in a zip file that includes a Word document of the application that you can edit, along with the cover sheet for filing your application. Add any details you may have forgotten or make any needed corrections to the application and cover sheet. The best place to add details is in the detailed description. After you have added the steps or components for your invention, you can analyze the coverage of the application by selecting the Coverage Analysis option. It will return suggestions based on what you have disclosed. This option may not be available for all accounts. Selecting the Patent Valuation option displays an interface for valuing your patent based on an option pricing model. Enter the dollar amounts, percentages or probabilities for each question. Probabilities are in a range of 0 to 1. The algorithm returns a valuation, patentability probability and value as a shield against litigation. The Support Analysis option checks for elements in your steps or components that may need additional description or inclusion in your figures. This option may not be available for all accounts. The Generate Application with Generated Support text option creates your application with added support details that may broaden scope of your application beyond what you have disclosed. This option is not available for all accounts. Always review the added text for accuracy. After you have reviewed your application, follow the instructions at the Filing Provisional option to file your provisional patent application. Include any documents you reference such as a paper or presentation in the application filing.